Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove OK button from lock screen in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and you want to remove OK button from your lock screen, something like this, so let's see how can you remove it. First of all, and here whenever you enter your lock screen pin, it will remind you to tap on OK to enter the home screen just like this. Now if you want to remove the OK button, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, just look for lock screen here, tap on it, then tap on screen lock and biometrics, and here just enter your pin which you have, then tap on continue, then select pin again, and here you must have to create a new pin which will at least 6 digits is recommended. So you just have to enter 6-digit pin just like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can see the system has been able setting which is confirm pin without tapping on OK. Whenever you remove any digit from here so it doesn't work, you just have to create a pin which is at least 6 digits. Just tap on continue, then and re-enter your pin, then select OK. So select OK from here. Now go back, and after that, whenever you enter your pin here, it will not remind you to tap in OK. Just enter your pin and you can enter your home screen without having OK. So that's how you can easily remove OK button from your lock screen in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.